How you doing, everybody? Brian Altmann, DBS Remodel. Thanks for joining me today. It is now and always time to remodel smart. So here we are. Okay, let's say you're buying a car. And I told you I have the perfect car. You said you wanted gold color. I got it. You said you wanted this car to be fast. You wanted it to have air conditioning, navigation. Okay, I got it. It's all right here. It's under this sheet. And I'm telling you, this car fits within your budget too. Okay, you said that you had $20,000 to spend. That's what it's going to cost. Would you buy this car as it's sitting under the sheet without taking a peek at it? Of course not. You want to know exactly what it's going to look like. You want to be able to open up the hood. You want to be able to open the doors. All right, these doors don't open. So you wouldn't buy this car if the doors didn't open, of course. So if you couldn't get in it, check it out, take it for a spin, you wouldn't buy it. So let's look at remodeling. If we were going to buy a bathroom, okay, or a kitchen or a basement from a remodeling contractor, wouldn't we want to know the same as this car? This is easy because we get to touch it, feel it, test drive it. We can't test drive the new kitchen. What can we do? We can draw pictures of it. We can look at great illustrations, to see what it's going to look like. We can write a story about it. That's all we can do. So we better do an amazing job with that. So if you're out there shopping for some remodeling, a couple things I just want to recommend. That we get you need drawings. You need to see what it's going to look like, whether it's a deck or a porch or a kitchen, an addition. Virtual reality really helps. It's as close as we can come to this, and writing a beautiful scope. So kind of like a window sticker on a car. We want to look at all the text that we have here to tell this story. In the car, you're never going to buy this and say, oh man, I didn't get air conditioning. No, you can touch it. You see it on the window sticker. You know the engine you got, the rims you got, whatever it is. When we buy remodeling, we got to be extra careful. We need to demand. I think homeowners need to be asking more questions, asking the contractor that you're working with, show me everything that's included. Also, what's not included. So we're on the same page. There's no ambiguity, and we're not going to be dissatisfied about anything later on. So it's very important. If you have any questions, you can always give me a call. Reach out to me, Brian at dbsremodel.com. Send me an email. I'd love to help you out any way we can. And remember, now and always, let's always remodel smart. Thanks a lot for tuning in.